Welcome back everyone. Today's video is a big one, especially if you use Gmail. You might not realize it, but Google use AI to scan every single email in your inbox. They built a profile on you just to serve targeted ads. But honestly, it's not just about the ads, it is that uncomfortable feeling of constantly being watched in the background. The good news, you don't have to leave those settings on. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off this useless tracking feature and take back your privacy. So let's open up the Gmail app. You can do this on both an Android phone and iPhone. After opening Gmail, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll all the way down, go to settings, and here you will see your email account. You may have several accounts and you need to go into each one and turn this feature off. Scroll further down and look for the settings called Google Workspace Smart Feature. When you open this, you will see two features. Let me briefly explain what this Google Workspace settings actually is. It is a set of cloud-based tools from Google for work and collaboration. It includes Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheet, Slides, and other services. And smart feature usually mean AI-powered capabilities. For example, autocomplete email, smart search, task automation, data analysis, and much more. If you read through all of the carefully, you will understand for yourself that it should be turned off. Turn off the first feature with a moment for it to load and then it switches off. Now turn off the second feature. I am not going to read all of this in detail just to save you time. If you are interested to go to ahead and read it yourself. But of course, I strongly recommended turning off these two settings. Go back, there you will see another settings called smart feature. And of course, we need to turn them off too. If you notice, when you turn these settings off, some additional AI feature below it get turned off as well. So there are no point in turning off each settings one by one. You can just turn off the smart feature option right here. Turn it off and everything else get turned off automatically too. And that way we increase our level of privacy when using Gmail because privacy is very important when you receive certain important emails like messages from the tax office, letters from your bank, and so on. To avoid all this AI analysis, I recommended turning off all of these settings. Let me remind you once again, after turning off these settings, go back and open each of your email accounts separately and turn off all these settings individually because you are only changing the settings for one account at a time. You need to go through all your account and turn off all of this off and your privacy will remain protected.